So I'm Andre Ishak. I'm one of the hand surgeons with Ventura Orthopedics. I practice in the Oxnard office and the Camarillo office. So I grew up in Palos Verdes. My dad was an OBGYN from Egypt, and my mom was an RN from Iowa, and they met in Milwaukee and then moved to Southern California in the mid-60s. And my dad practiced in Torrance, and I grew up in Palos Verdes. I went to undergrad at UC Berkeley, and then I went to medical school at Tufts in Boston. And then I came back to California for my residency at USC. And then I did an extra year of hand fellowship at UC San Francisco. So my dad took me to the hospital with him on the weekends when he rounded, and I got to see the inside of the hospital and all the goings on there, and it was kind of exciting. And then when I was in school, I really liked biology and the life sciences, and started thinking about a career in medicine. My dad, at his hospital, there was a radiation oncologist who took students who were in college around the hospital and had them spend a day with different kinds of doctors. They call that shadowing now, but they didn't have a word for it back then. And I got to see how all the different specialties did their work, and that was really one of the things that made me want to be a doctor. So I'm a hand surgeon, so I treat conditions of the hand, forearm, and elbow. I try to treat my patients the way I would want to be treated, or I want my family to be treated, and to try to treat the whole patient, not just the hand problem, and to have a partnership with my patients, and work on the treatment together with them, and to be forthright and honest as I can about their issues, and to have realistic expectations. I've had, I think, 3 knee surgeries. I've had a rotator cuff repair done by my partner. I've had foot surgery. Yeah, I have experienced several orthopedic issues myself. I'm a musician, so I play woodwind instruments, saxophone. That's been an important outlet for me for many years. And then I scuba dive. I like fly fishing, and for exercise, I like to swim and cycle. I like to cook, and I have a house full of animals. We got 2 dogs and 2 cats, and like to travel with my family. I knew I wanted to practice in Southern California, and I interviewed at several practices around in Upland, and then I had just interviewed at a couple of different places in Beverly Hills, and then the next day I interviewed at Ventura Orthopedics, and I realized that Beverly Hills was not really my vibe, and I really liked it here. I liked the genuine group of people that I met, and still are the doctors of Ventura Orthopedics. Several of my best friends are in the practice, and the community here is just, I couldn't ask for a better place to live and work and raise my family. I love my work, and it's a privilege to be here, and I hope that I'm able to continue to work for quite a bit longer, because I love what I do.